Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Misses Me, chapter 6. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the two of them. They're still talking. In the party. Come on, follow my lead, Julian said to Zhao Zhao. Zhao Zhao, she only agrees to her. But right now, it seems that they're dancing on sync. Well, she really praised her. Julian said, "Nice dance, Zhao Zhao." Well, after that, after so many years, she still remembers everything I taught her. Julian said to her, "For Zhao Zhao, she really improves well. Now, it's getting late, and the night is getting deeper. Why do I always pay attention to her involuntarily after knowing that we are not biological sister? Well, right now, Julian, attention is only on Zhao Zhao." Zhao Zhao said to her elder sister, "No doubt it's out. Do you want to go to my place and have a look?" Right now, Zhao Zhao is asking Julian. Well, probably. She might really agree to her. Especially, they will live together. Please beg me. Forgive you for ruining my birthday. I will go when I'm in a good mood. Right now, Julian is getting impatient on Zhao Zhao. But suddenly Zhao Zhao, she moves closer to her. "Sister, I was wrong. Please forgive me. Would you like to follow me?" Oh, it turns out that Zhao Zhao, she really good at coaxing people. "So Julian, please be normal. Now she really can help herself. My sisters promised me." Right now, Julian said, "Let's leave quickly. Immediately, I will tell her mother. Mom, I'm not feeling well. My sisters took me out of the house. It's okay if she doesn't go back to celebrate her birthday tonight." Oh, it really went well today. Right now, Jojo, she kept herself in touch with Julian. Well, this is it. This is the apartment of Chow Chow. This is where I want to live. Julian is asking her. Well, it's a little bit small for her. Of course, she lives in a mansion. Our family, too poor to afford somewhere else. This is not a house prepared by my family. It's a down payment from my part-time job in college. Serve for medicinal treatment and medication which were reimbursed by my family. I never asked my mother for any after I graduated. Oh, it seems that she was really resilient and also brave. Why buy your own house? Because I want to have a house that truly belongs to me, Zhao Zhao said to her. Right now, looking at it, Julian, I almost forgot that she lived outside for so many years when she was a child and extremely insecure. She believes more in things obtained through hard work than gifts from the others. Well, Zhao Zhao was right. Right now, Julian, she was thinking about life perceptions of Zhao Zhao. And come on, make enough money to decorate your house. As soon as possible, it's really not good looking for now. Got it, sister. Do you want to stay tonight? Mom says you can spend night outside with me. Oh, it turns out it really went well with her mother, and they really approve it. Right now, Chow Chow, he come to the bathroom. Okay, I'll take a shower first, Julian said to Chow Chow. Bathroom is over there. Right now, she's preparing herself to take a bath, but Julian, Jojo, she went outside to pick up the bath towel and gave it to Julian. Right now, Julian, she was standing and going into the bathtub. Well, right now, she seems that it was really look comfortable. Sister, the clothes. Jojo was knocking on the door and she was calling her name. Right now, Julian, she was looking at the door and said to Jojo, "Come in and put it on the shelf." Well, she was on the bathroom, and it seems that she really feels calm. Looking at it, she seems to be enjoying it. But right now, when Zhao Zhao came in, well, she's gently going inside the bathroom. For Julian right now, she wants to be relaxed and keep her mind blank. Chow Chow, she really went inside on the bathroom. Now she was looking at the figure of Julian. She is getting stronger, teasing Julian this time. I went out first. Right now, Julian said, etc. Well, why suddenly? Well, right now, Julian, why are you blushing? Julian said to her. Right now, she really teasing her. But for Jojo, their sister, what's wrong? Didn't I just ask you to come in and give me some clothes? If nothing happens, I'll go out. Jojo said to Julian. Right now, she wanted to tease her so much. She said to herself that Jojo, she was really shy right now towards her. But for Julian, she wanted to provoke and tease Chow Chow. Don't go. What are you doing out there? Come and take a shower with me. Julian, she's inviting Chow Chow. But can Chow Chow really resist her? Sister, are you sure? Chow Chow suddenly become mischievous. Just tease her. We are all girls. Who wants to take a bath with my sister? Well, right now, don't you dare. Whatever I don't dare to do, I have everything you have. Julian said to Chow Chow. She was really giggling. Probably she can't believe that Julian, she was easily to deceive, teasing her so much. What will happen? Take it off. Now, Julian, she's getting impatient. This is what you said. Well, this is getting tricky. She really undressed herself. When Julian was there. Jojo, she is really getting tricky this time. Well, let's hope. We can live together well. Carefully, taking off the clothes piece by piece. And write it now. So Julian, she was watching her. Well, Julian said, move closer. Well, why is this girl suddenly being impatient toward Chow Chow? Seems something wrong about her. Oh, sister, what's wrong with you? That right now it seems that she's a little bit shaking. Her mind is really thinking well. Silly, I shouldn't have teased her just now. Well, she really deserved it. Right now, she can help herself towards Chow Chow. Well, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!